Hello students, welcome to Super20 Institute Pathankot. So in today's class we are going to discuss some numericals. Now this is your in-text question. In-text question based upon Henry law. Okay. So the question is Henry's law constant for carbon dioxide in water. The value given is 1.67 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal at 298 Kelvin. Okay. Calculate the quantity of carbon dioxide. Calculate the quantity of carbon dioxide in 500 ml of soda water when packed under 2.5 atmosphere carbon dioxide pressure at temperature given is 298 Kelvin. Okay, so we have to use Henry law, and Henry law constant given is for carbon dioxide, that is KH. First of all, write all the information which is given in the question. So KH here is KH for CO2 will be 1.67 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. Okay, and temperature is 298 Kelvin. Calculate the quantity of carbon dioxide in 500. This is volume given of water. When packed under, the pressure is given. Pressure is equals to pressure of carbon dioxide is 2.5 atm atmospheric unit. Okay. Now, first of all, convert it into Pascal. Here, 1 atmosphere is equals to 1.01 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. So, 2.5 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. Okay, now what is Henry law? Henry law is pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction. Okay. Now, calculate the quantity. Okay, we have to calculate chi. For this P upon KH, this formula will be used. Okay. Now put this value is 2.5 into 10 raised to power 5 upon what is the value of KH? This is in Pascal and 1.67 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. Okay, so this is also in Pascal, and after calculation what we get? We get 0.00152. Okay, so this is our mole fraction. Now, mole fraction of what? Carbon dioxide. So, we know the formula of mole fraction. What is the formula of mole fraction? Number of moles of that component plus number of moles of both components A and B in a binary solution. Okay, so here mole fraction of carbon dioxide will be number of moles of carbon dioxide plus number of moles of carbon dioxide plus number of moles of water. Now, this is the formula for mole fraction. Okay, and how to calculate number of moles? Number of moles will be equals to given mass upon molar mass. So let us talk about water. In soda water, there is a presence of carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, and carbon dioxide will be present in very less amount. Very less amount. Okay, so here this will be negligible. Okay, this will be negligible because in soda water maximum amount is of water is present and carbon dioxide will be very small quantity. So ये negligible हो जाएगा. So we have only number of moles of carbon dioxide upon number of moles of water. Okay. Now, how to calculate the number of moles of water? We have given 500 ml of soda water. That means so 500 ml. Let us consider it 500 grams. Okay. Now, how to calculate number of moles of water? Given mass upon molar mass. Given mass upon molar mass. So, what is the given mass here? 500 grams. And what is the molar mass of water? Molar mass of water will be here 2 hydrogen. Atomic mass of 1 hydrogen will be 1 plus oxygen 16. So what we get 18 gram. So put here 13 gram and calculate the number of moles. It comes out to be 27.78 mole. Okay. Now put all these values here in the formula in equation number 1. So what is the mole fraction of carbon dioxide? It is given using 1 वाटर के कितने मोल है 27.78. ओके, तो हमने मोल फ्रैक्शन कैलकुलेट की थी. क्या वैल्यू आई थी हमारी 0.00152. तो यहाँ से हम नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू okay. So this will be your number of moles of carbon dioxide. Now, what is the next step? We get 0.042 moles. Now again use the formula. Number of moles will be equals to given mass upon molar mass. So what is given mass? The amount of carbon dioxide that we have taken. So हमें ये calculate करना है given mass. So how does we calculate? Given mass will be equals to moles multiplied by molar mass. So what is the molar mass of carbon dioxide? Molar mass of carbon dioxide will be 12 plus 16 into 2. Okay. So this is the molar mass of carbon dioxide. Now put all these values in the formula and calculate the answer. Okay. So what is the given mass? Molar mass into number of moles. So molar mass will be 44 gram. And here ये जो हमने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कैलकुलेट किए 0.042. Okay. So your answer will be 1.848 grams. Okay. This is the quantity of carbon dioxide that we have taken. So what is the question? Henry law constant for carbon dioxide in water. KH given था आपको. यूनिट्स आपको ध्यान में रखनी है बिकॉज यूनिट सेम होगी तभी आपका आंसर आएगा, अदरवाइज आंसर रॉन्ग आएगा. Units are Pascals. Calculate the quantity of carbon dioxide, that is we have to calculate given mass. What is the mass that we have taken to form the solution? Okay. Then 500 ml of soda water. Soda water is a mixture of carbon dioxide and water. When packed under, now unit is atmosphere and atmosphere को आपको convert करना था किसमें? पास्कल में. Okay. So this is how to calculate the numericals. Now comes to next question. Now see the next question. The next question is, it is based upon vapor pressure. The vapor pressure of pure liquid. Vapor pressure of pure liquid is given. The vapor pressure of pure liquid A and B are, what are the vapor pressure? 450 and 700 mm of mercury. Okay, this is also unit of pressure. तो हमने pressure की कौन सी यूनिट पढ़ी है? Pressure की हमने units पढ़ी हैं जो अभी तक, that is atmospheric, then Pascal, and now this is mm of mercury column. Okay, this is question 700 mm of mercury respectively at 350 Kelvin. Okay, find out the composition of liquid mixture. That is we have to find out the value or find out the composition of liquid mixture. Find out the composition of liquid mixture. Okay. If total vapor pressure is 600 mm of mercury column, also find the composition of the vapor phase. Also find the composition of liquid phase. So write down this question. So what is given in the question? The vapor pressure of pure liquids. That means P naught values are given, pure liquids A and B. So this is the answer. And what information we have provided? Value of P naught A is 450 and unit is mm of mercury column. Okay. Now for B, the value is 700 mm. Okay. Respectively. Find out the composition of the liquid mixture. Okay. If the total vapor pressure is now P total is 600 mm of mercury column. Okay. So by using Rolle's formula, कैसे की थी हमने calculation? P total will be equals to P of A, partial pressure of A plus partial pressure of B. Right? ऐसे ही था. And according to Rolle's law, what is the value of PA? PA will be equals to P naught A chi A plus P naught B chi B. Okay. And we also know that in the binary solution, what is the value of chi A plus chi B? It will be equals to 1. So here हम इसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, काई बी की वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. काई बी विल बी इक्वल्स टू 1 माइनस काई ऑफ ए. ओके. सो look at here, P total will be equals to P naught A chi A plus P naught B and 1 minus chi A. Okay. By rearranging the terms, we will get minus P naught B chi A. Okay. Further, we get P naught A chi B minus P naught B chi A plus P naught B. Okay. So take chi A common. P naught A minus P naught B chi A will be common plus P naught B. So put down the values here. What is the value of P total? P total will be 600 and P naught A will be 450 minus P naught B 700 plus P naught B will be 700. यहाँ पे chi A भी आएगा, chi A plus 700. तो आप यहाँ से this is simple linear equation. So how to solve this linear equation? ये 700 यहाँ जाके माइनस हो जाएगा, minus 100 and here 700 से माइनस करो 450 को, 250 chi A. तो यहाँ से आप इजीली chi A की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. ओके. दिस इज नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव नेगेटिव कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड व्हाट यू विल गेट chi A will be equals to 100 upon 250. Okay. So calculate करो. So we get chi A will be 0.4. So if we have the value of chi A, that is mole fraction of A, and from here we also calculate the value of chi B, that is mole fraction of B. So how to calculate? Chi B will be 1 minus chi A. So 1 minus 0.4 will be equals to 0.6. Okay. Now, also in the question if total vapor pressure, also find the composition of liquid phase. So how to find the composition of liquid phase? partial pressure will be equals to P naught A into pi A. So what is the value of P naught A? P naught A is given 450. Okay, 450. And what is the value of pi A? Pi A will be equals to 0.4. Right. Similarly, same for partial pressure of B component. P naught B into pi B, it will be equals to 700 into 0.6. Okay, तो ये कैलकुलेट करना था आपको क्वेश्चन में. So do the calculations. 450 multiplied by 0.4 and 700 multiplied by 0.6. So we get 180 mm of, यही यूनिट चल रही है ना, तो हम यहाँ पे भी यूज करेंगे एंड 480 mm of mercury polymer. Okay. Now we have to find the composition of liquid phase. Okay. So note करो, यहाँ तक मैं सेट कर रही हूँ. So mole fraction of liquid A, mole fraction of liquid A. So how to calculate mole fraction of liquid? तो हमने क्या किया था, जब हम मोलैरिटी में देख रहे थे तो हम नंबर ऑफ मोल यूज करते थे, बट यहाँ पे हम क्या यूज करेंगे, हमें लिक्विड फेज का फाइंड करना है. तो लिक्विड फेज के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे, पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन वाले टर्म्स को. So PA will be equals to PA plus PB. Okay. So values put करो. PA will be 180 and 180 plus what is the value of PB? That is 480. Okay. तो calculate करो. वन 180 अपॉन 600. So 18 upon 60 क्या आ जाएगा? What is the value of 80? 18 upon 60 we will get 0.30. So अगर हमें मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ लिक्विड A की पता है तो हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ लिक्विड B? मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ लिक्विड B क्या करेंगे, 1 minus 0.30 we get 0.70. ओके. सो ये आपको पूछा था, पहले हमने क्या किया, वेपर फेज में फाइंड किया, देन हमने लिक्विड फेज में कैलकुलेट किया. सो अगर लिक्विड फेज में पूछा तो हम क्या करेंगे, मोल फ्रैक्शन फाइंड करने के लिए उनके पार्शियल प्रेशर वाले टर्म्स को यूज करेंगे. ओके. So this is the way how to calculate the vapor pressure of liquids in vapor phase as well as in liquid phase. Okay, note it down and see next question. What is given in the next question? The next question is now the next question will be vapor pressure of, this is question number 2.9. The question is vapor pressure of pure water, pure water at 298 Kelvin. 298 Kelvin is 23.8 mercury column. Okay, 50 gram of urea. We are talking about urea. Okay. So what is the formula for urea? NH2C double bond O NH2. This is the structural formula of urea. Okay. 50 gram of urea is dissolved. Okay. Dissolved in 850 gram of water. So calculate the vapor pressure of water. We have to calculate the vapor pressure. Calculate the vapor pressure of water, and for this solution and its relative क्लोरीन ओके पढ़ा था हमने रिलेटिव क्लोरीन इन वेपर प्रेशर, तो वो कंसेप्ट यहाँ पे यूज होगा एंड इट्स रिलेटिव क्लोरीन. ओके सो नोट दिस क्वेश्चन. सो जब हमने रिलेटिव क्लोरीन वाला कंसेप्ट पढ़ा था, सो वी यूज द फॉर्मूला व्हिच वी हैव डेरिवेटेड फ्रॉम रोल्स लॉ. तो क्या था P01 minus P1 upon, okay, this is for solution and this is for pure form and this is for solution. Number of moles of component 2 plus number of moles of component 1 plus 2. So this is the formula we have used for relative chlorine of vapor pressure. Okay. Now, how to calculate the number of moles of component 2 and number of moles of component 1. So, put their values here. Given mass upon molar mass upon given mass of first component upon molar mass of first component, then molar mass of second component plus molar mass of second component. Okay. तो इस टाइप से ये फॉर्मूला एक्सपैंड हो जाएगा. So also what is given in the question, vapor pressure of pure water. That means P01 will be equals to 23.8 unit is mercury. And what is the given mass of urea? So first of all put the values here. 23.8 minus P1 upon 23.8. Okay. Now given mass of water is 50 gram. Urea का mass आपको given है. Given mass of urea that is 50 gram. And given mass of water will be equals to 850 grams. Okay. And what is the molar mass of water? Molar mass of water will be 18. Okay. So calculate the molar mass of urea. How to calculate? This is 2 times this group, 2 times the NH2 plus C plus O. So 2 into 14 plus 1 into 2 plus 12 plus 16. You get 60 grams. Okay. What is the molar mass of urea? Molar mass of urea will be equals to 60 grams. Okay. So and this will be M2. Okay. So our solute will be urea. Solute is urea. So we are using for solute this notation too. Okay. Now put down these values. We get 23.8 minus partial pressure of solution phase 23.8 equals to W2 की वैल्यू क्या है 50/60 एंड यहाँ 50/60 प्लस 850/18. So solve this equation and find the value of P1. Okay. So what we get? Number of moles will be 0.83/0.83 plus 47.22 and here 23.8 minus P1/23.8. So और सिंप्लीफाई करोगे यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगी. ओके. So this is the information given. तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से अगर प्रोसीजर डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है तो सबसे पहले आप इस स्टेप को सॉल्व कर लो. ओके. नाउ अब आप नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या करोगे? P1 इनको मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 0.0173 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 23.8. ओके. इसको कैलकुलेट करोगे देन ये वाली जो टर्म होगी वहां जाके माइनस होगी एंड ये माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड आपकी P1 की वैल्यू जो है वो कैलकुलेट हो जाएगी. ओके. योर P1 विल बी इक्वल्स टू 23.4 mm of monthly column. Okay. So what we get? What is the value of what is asked in question? Calculate the vapor pressure of water for this solution and its relative lowering. Okay. So these are the steps included. So जब हमने ये फॉर्मूला लिखा था, this is vapor pressure of water. That was asked in a question that what is the vapor pressure of water in liquid phase. Okay. Phase means की solution phase की. And what is the relative lowering in lowering of vapor pressure? तो हमने जब ये फॉर्मूला लिखा था रोल्स लॉ के अकॉर्डिंग P1/P01, तो ये जो वैल्यू थी इट विल बी द रिलेटिव लॉवरिंग. ओके. तो यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करके क्या वैल्यू आई थी हमारी 0.0173. So this is the value of relative lowering of vapor pressure. Okay. So note down this question. This question is very important for examination point of view and competitive point of view also. Note it down and comes to next question. The next question is The next question is, this is your in-text question. The question is 2.10 in-text question. They are asking about boiling point of water at. The pressure given is 750. Mercury column is given is 99.63 degrees Celsius. How much sucrose? What is sucrose? Sucrose is a carbohydrate. Sucrose is to be added to 500 grams of water such that it boils 100 degrees Celsius. Molar elevation constant. Molar elevation constant for water is 0.52 kg per mole. Okay. So, what is the concept used here? The question is boiling point of water. Boiling point of water at 7. ये pressure given आपको. The boiling point given is 99.63. Okay. How much sucrose is to be added? That means sucrose is our solute. How much solute is added to 500 gram of water? Given mass is here and this is molar mass such that it boils at. So this is elevation in boiling point. Okay, elevation in boiling point वाला concept है. तो वहाँ पे हमने क्या किया था? Delta TB will be equals to Kb into molarity. And what is Kb? Kb is molar elevation constant. Molar elevation constant. So, what is this value? Here it is given that it is equals to 0.52 kg per mole. Okay. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो and ऐसे भी ये similarly एक ही बात है. Okay. Now, let's see the question. How to calculate delta TB? Delta TB कैसे calculate किया था? What is the boiling point of water? We all know that boiling point of water will be 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, but यहाँ पे क्या given है? 99.63. Okay. So we use these terms. Delta TB will be 100 minus 99.63. Okay. तो यहाँ पे हमें डिग्री सेल्सियस में गिवन है. वी हैव टू चेंज इट इनटू केल्विन. तो क्या करेंगे? 273 ऐड करेंगे दोनों में प्लस 273. ओके. दिस इज टू चेंज द यूनिट फ्रॉम डिग्री सेल्सियस टू केल्विन. So this is your answer of calculation. Now, what is given in the question? Let us talk about sucrose. First of all, see, given mass of water, how much? 500 gram and molar mass of water. What is the molar mass of water? 18 gram. Okay. What about sucrose? So the formula of sucrose will be C12H12O11. C12H22O11. कैसे कैलकुलेट किया? वी नो कार्बन, एक कार्बन का एटॉमिक मास 12 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 12 प्लस हाइड्रोजन का 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 22 प्लस ऑक्सीजन का 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 11। तो यहाँ से मैं कैलकुलेशन करके आया 342 ग्राम। एंड वी आल्सो नो दैट वी आर प्रोवाइडेड विद द वैल्यू ऑफ केवी। तो यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला में अप्लाई कर दो। व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर मोलैलिटी? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स of solute upon number of moles of solute dissolved in per kg of solvent. Okay, so what is solvent here? Solvent is water per kg. So यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा हमारा? सॉल्वेंट हमारा जो है वो वाटर है, दैट इज इन ग्राम्स। तो ग्राम्स में है तो हमें इसे 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। ओके, कन्वर्ट इन केजीज। एंड सोल्यूट हमारा सुक्रोज है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? सुक्रोज का गिवन मास कितना है आपको? हमें वो फाइंड करना है। ओके, गिवन मास अपॉन your molar mass will be 342 grams. Okay, so ये मोलैलिटी की वैल्यू है m की। so put these values in this formula. Okay, equation number 1. so equation number 1 में put करो so using equation number 1, okay, delta TB will be equals to KB. What is the formula for molality? Here given mass of sucrose will be W2. Okay, given mass of sucrose and M2 will be molar mass of sucrose. So same here, this is W1 and this is M1. So molarity के लिए हम क्या फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं? मल्टीप्लाई बाय नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट, दैट मींस W2 अपॉन M2 इनटू जो आपको वॉल्यूम गिवन थी सॉल्यूट की, जो आपको वेट गिवन था सॉल्वेंट का। तो सॉल्वेंट का क्या वेट है आपका यहाँ पे? W1 एंड इसको हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया था 1000 के साथ बिकॉज इट इज गिवन इन ग्राम्स। ओके, तो यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुट करो। केबी की वैल्यू क्या गिवन है हमें? द वैल्यू ऑफ मोलर एलिवेशन कांस्टेंट विल बी 0.52 मल्टीप्लाई बाय W2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 अपॉन व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ M2? 342 था सुक्रोज का, 342. What is the value of W1? 500. ओके, एंड ये हमने डेल्टा टीबी कैलकुलेट किया, तो डेल्टा टीबी की वैल्यू क्या आएगी हमारी? 0.37. 0.37. तो यहाँ से हम W2 की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। W2 will be equals to 0.37 multiplied by 342 multiplied by 500 upon 0.52 multiplied by 1000. Okay, so do the calculations. 0.37 multiplied by 342 into 500 upon 0.52 into 1000. So what will we get? 121.67 grams. Okay, so this is the answer. Now what is given in the question? Boiling point given था हमें वाटर का एंड प्रेशर गिवन था। तो यहाँ पे प्रेशर सिर्फ कंफ्यूज करने के लिए दिया, अदरवाइज यहाँ पे प्रेशर का कोई भी यूज नहीं है। ओके, तो ये जो हमारा था बॉइलिंग पॉइंट था एंड वी ऑल नो दैट द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ प्योर वाटर विल dB equals to 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस। तो आंसर में एलिवेशन में बॉइलिंग पॉइंट फाइंड की डेल्टा टीवी कैलकुलेट किया, हाउ मच सुक्रोज मींस हाउ मच सोल्यूट हमें फाइंड करना था, हाउ मच सोल्यूट इज टू बी एडेड टू 500 grams, this is given weight of the solvent such that it boils at 100 degree Celsius. Okay, molar elevation constant given था, हमें kb की वैल्यू given थी, and by using all this value we have to calculate the given mass of the sucrose. Okay, so this is your answer, note it down. So now इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस के बाद हमें एनसीईआरटी के न्यूमेरिकल्स को डिस्कस करना है। सो इस चैप्टर में से ज्यादातर न्यूमेरिकल्स ही आते हैं। सो वी विल कंटिन्यू डूइंग न्यूमेरिकल्स इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास। उसके बाद कुछ एनसीईआरटी एग्जाम्पलर्स के एमसीक्यूज देखेंगे, क्वेश्चंस उनको डिस्कस करेंगे, and then after we will do the NEET questions. Okay, so that is all for today's class. We will continue our numerical session in the next class also. Okay, so thanks for the class.